Hi friends, welcome. Good morning. So this morning before I head out to work, I just wanted to share a project with you that I am so happy about. Now, I will make sure I do some close-ups of them because I know from here it's sort of weird. Sometimes it's hard to get everything in and then let you still see things close up. So I'll make sure that I have some close-ups for you. And also, I just want to apologize. I know that sometimes I film videos in the morning, but then it's the evening before I get them put up. And it's really because of, what kind of time I have with work. Because, my schedule's sort of crazy. And then I fit doing my crafts and my YouTube videos in sort of in the middle of my regular job and helping to take care of my grandson and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm sure all of you guys know all about being just overly busy. So anyways, so the reason I want to share this with you, I'm so excited and I love how these turned out. So we got the 3D printer, and this is my first project using 3D printed pieces. So I made my epoxy keychains, and inside here I had Scott make me some small little Eiffel Towers. So I put white glitter down on the bottom and put snow, put the Eiffel Tower in, and then in the plain epoxy, I put just a little bit of glitter like it was snowing. And these turned out so cute. I absolutely love them. And then the other thing I just want to say, so for these little pieces that I have attached, these little balls, I did a video on, the different things that I buy for my keychains, and these are on there. So I'll link it because that video also has the links to all the different products if there's something that you need for your keychains. But what I want to say is in that video, these ones right here, these balls, I put them as my least favorite. And then what happened was I used all of the other ones and came up to these after I put all the other ones on keychains, and it was at the same time, but then I had these and I took one out and I blow dried it. And oh my gosh, I was so wrong. So wrong. These things are so stinking cute. They are so cute. I am just totally digging them. And this, look at the different colors in there. It's like pink and purple and green. It is so stinking cute. I love it. So I was totally wrong, and I take back everything that I said about these particular fuzzy balls. Just saying. All right, so I only did, a few letters with these. Now, the one thing with the Eiffel Tower, it had to be in a letter that allowed me to, have a straight up and down piece. But look how tiny he was able to do these. And if you're interested, I'll also link the video. This was just some white glitter because I had it left with no extra Eiffel Tower. So, but that still turned out really pretty. I'll link the video of him doing the Eiffel Towers, excuse me, with the 3D printer also, in case you want to see it. It is really cool. So he did a time-lapse video showing it just, coming out. That 3D printer is so cool. We're in the process of doing something together right now that's going to be really cool. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So there's this one, and that's the E, if you can see it, and then this one, and the R, and the L. And then I've got a T and a K. I didn't put fuzzy balls on these because I might put like a different little dangly on these for the people that they're for. So we'll see. All right, so listen, I'm going to attach some video with these a little bit more close up so that you can see them. But otherwise, I hope you have a blessed, beautiful day, a fantastic evening, and an amazing holiday, friends. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit subscribe, and I will see you again soon. All right, bye, friends. All right, so I just want to show you these a little bit more up close. So you can see the T, there's the Eiffel Tower in it, and it's cool because you can see it all the way around. And then there is my K, that's not on a little stem. And there's my B. And I just think that these came out so cute. And this is the one that just has the glitter in it. Really pretty. And there's my D. If you can see, there's the Eiffel Tower on that side. And then there. And my L. You can see the Eiffel Tower. I think next time I will let my glitter get hard for the, like that snowy glitter, and then put it on, because my Eiffel Tower did get mixed a little bit in my glitter, but it's still really, really cute. And that's my R. All right. Well, listen, I hope that you guys enjoyed these. And like I said, I'll link the video to these little fuzzies, and I will link the video for the Eiffel Towers. Have a fantastic night, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.